Hey guys, what is up? In this video, I am going to be teaching you guys how to use the Windows command processor you have if you run Windows. Let's get started. So Windows Command Processor, or also known as CMD, is a command line interface that Windows users are able to use. This is also used by the system itself in different forms, like you could program batch files and they get run by Windows Command Processor. So to run CMD, you're going to want to go to your search bar to the bottom left, and you're going to want to search here CMD. And then if you're going to be doing, I'm going to explain why you should run it as admin, but we're going to run it as administrator, and we're going to get this pop-up right here. Oh, I just closed it. Okay. So you just want to click here to run as admin, and you're going to run it like that. There we go. If you run it as admin, you will get this directory. If you run it as a user, then you will get a different directory here. So what is the difference between doing it as administrator and without? So basically that means that you will have decreased privileges and you cannot make any changes computer. You could copy stuff and move stuff. You can make folders and rename them, but you can't do any serious stuff like disk checks or system scans. So we're going to go over some commands right now. The first command you should know, and this is going to help you out a lot, is the help command. This basically shows most tools you could use in command prompt. We're just going to see that is a lot of commands, but we're not going to go over all of them. And also there is more, trust me, much more than that online that you could find. So also, if you press the up arrow, you can see the previous command you have written. So right now, if I try up arrow, I get help, because that's the last command I've written. So the next command we're going to be learning is used to check the integrity of a hard drive. So we're going to type in check chkdsk and then /F, or you can do /? to see everything you could do. We're gonna do check disk /F, and then here on it, obviously you can't do it on the system drive because, well, we're running it right now, so it would do it right when the system restarts. I'm gonna press no because I already did that. You know, I make sure my computers are good. Next kind of scan we're gonna go over is called SFC. SFC. So as you can see, SFC has different commands you can run. Usually the one you would use if you're doing a system scan is SFC/scan now. That scans all this protected system files and then repairs them with a group of backup files. So we're gonna do SFC/scan now, and you can enter this, and it takes a while. I'm not gonna do it, but you guys can. So remember how I said it doesn't show all the commands? Well, SFC, if you guys check, is not actually here, right? Yeah, SFC is not here. Why is that? Well, if CMD showed all of the commands, it would be a lot. Trust me. So basically, you could just find these extra commands online. It's basically separate programs. Like, say, this part is here. So next command we're going to go over is shutdown. This basically could shut down your computer, but there's different commands you got to write. So shutdown/F actually shuts down computers. So let's try this. Okay, now I gotta abort this shutdown by doing down/A. And you're gonna get this pop-up right there that's cancelled. Now, another command you could do is disk part. This part is used to format disks, partition them, and much more. So you could just type question mark here to get this pop-up right here, and this all you could do here. You could add a sign, and we're gonna do this command list disk. List disk. And then you see we only have one disk, and that's our disk, which is 465 gigs or gigabytes. And you could also select disks for if you're going to be formatting them or whatever, and you got to select disk 0 or whatever number it is. We're going to just exit that for now, and then we're back to our directory here. Now a bit about a Windows command line. It's honestly one of the most useful tools you could use to repair a laptop, or say there's something wrong with your computer. Windows command line is somewhere you could start diagnosing. Say, for example, check disk, it could check for hard drive integrities, and if they're failing, it will try to repair them, and if not, it will tell you. And if it did succeed, it will also tell you. Also, it is one of the only programs you could run in Windows RE. Windows RE is Windows Recovery Environment. It is built into Windows 10. And sometimes when you cannot access the desktop, when you cannot access any of this, you would go to Windows RE and you would do a ton of commands in command prompt, or you would do, like, say, a system restore. Stuff like that. I'm going to go over Windows RE later on when I'm going to start my virtual machine projects, which are starting, by the way, in 2 to 3 weeks. And yeah, guys, I think that is it for this video. And again, if you have, like, something you want to... Oh, one more command, actually. Ping command. So you can ping... I don't know if you guys heard of it. Ping basically checks the connection of a internet location. We're going to ping 8.8.8.8. 8.8.8.8 is actually a DNS server by Google. We're going to ping it, and we would get this. This also a way to prank people if you want to just make your internet connection slow. Wait. I'm just going to double check. Yeah. /t. If you do a /t at the end of whatever you're pinging, it's going to go on and on and on and on and on. It's just going to keep on going until you end it. So how you can end it? Control-C. Make sure you do Control-C before you close it. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the bell notifications icon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this helped you guys. Yeah, see you guys later.